In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unmerge layers in Photoshop. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you merged multiple layers to tidy up your project, only to realize minutes or hours later that you need to edit an element on an individual layer, you know how frustrating that can be. Managing layers is the core of non-destructive editing in Adobe Photoshop, and accidentally flattening your work can feel like a disaster. Whether you have just clicked the Merge button or you are looking for ways to revert changes made earlier in your session, I will walk you through the most effective methods to get your layers back. If this video helps you save your project, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more professional design tips. Let's dive straight into the software and get started. The first and most immediate way to unmerge layers in Photoshop is by using the undo command. This is the best approach if you realize your mistake immediately after performing the merge. To do this, simply press Ctrl+Z on your Windows keyboard or Command+Z if you are using a Mac. If you need to step back through multiple merges, you can hold down Ctrl+Alt+Z on older versions of Photoshop or simply keep tapping Ctrl+Z on the newer Creative Cloud versions. This essentially rewrites your recent actions and restores the layers to their previous state before they were combined. It is a quick and seamless fix that every designer uses daily. However, sometimes the simple undo command isn't enough, especially if you have performed several other actions after merging the layers. In this case, we need to use a more powerful tool called the History panel. To access this, go to the top menu and click on Window, then select History from the drop-down list. This panel acts as a time machine for your Photoshop document, recording every single brushstroke, selection, and layer modification you have made during your current session. Look through the list of actions in the History panel until you find the line labeled Merge Layers or Merge Visible. To unmerge your layers, simply click on the action immediately above the merge step. This will instantly revert your entire canvas to the exact state it was in before the merge happened. It is important to remember that using the History panel will also undo any work you did after the merge, so make sure to weigh your options before jumping back in time. Now we must discuss a very important limitation when it comes to unmerging layers in Photoshop. This is the part that many beginners struggle with. If you have saved your file, closed Photoshop, and then reopened it later, the History panel is completely cleared. Photoshop does not store history states inside the PSD file itself once the application is closed. If you saved and closed the file after merging, the layers are permanently combined into a single rasterized image. In this scenario, there is no magical unmerge button because the pixel data has been flattened into one layer. This is why I always recommend saving iterative versions of your work, such as Project Name version 1 and Project Name version 2, or using smart objects. By converting your layers into a smart object before any major changes, you can always double-click the smart object thumbnail to open a separate workspace containing all your original, unmerged layers. This is the professional way to ensure you never lose your layer flexibility. If you found yourself stuck today because you already closed your file, take this as a learning opportunity to use the History panel more frequently and always keep a backup of your unmerged layers. Knowing how to navigate these panels is what separates a beginner from a power user. We have covered the undo shortcut, the History panel method, and the critical warnings about saving your files. If this video helped you understand how layers work and how to recover your lost work, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more in-depth tutorials for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next Photoshop guide.